Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go through our open trades currently. I saw a comment on YouTube just asking for an update to Euro Oz and what are my thoughts, so I thought I'd go through the current open trades. So the first one I'm actually going to go through is CAD Yen, and we're going to go through why we looked at getting short in this position in the first place, because the strength and weakness chart suggests that we actually look for buying opportunities, or that suggests that the market is at least bullish. But we can see that the market is bullish because we're getting those really nice higher highs, higher lows form out of the market. Okay, but what's happened is price has retested this area of structure, this where market found some resistance in the past. So typically in an uptrend we get those higher highs, higher lows, and what we look for is for the market to, in an uptrend, pull back to an area of support and continue to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for here. So I'm trading the reversal setup, the fact that the market's come into this key area of resistance, it's rejected with a bearish candlestick, we're overbought on the RSI, and price looks to be overextended on that impulse move. So what I'm looking for is price to retest previous structure highs for the potential trend to continue, and we can see this level here has been supported and found resistance in the past. So looking for the market to drop back down into this area here, find some support, and then potentially move back to the upside. So trading the reversal here on CAD Yen. Going into Euro Oz, it's finally started to push back in our favor. So we got in on this candlestick here, which suggests that the market could pull back. It rallied a little bit, dropped quite significantly. Our stop loss is below the swing low though, and now the market is starting to move back in our favor. This is mainly due to the Australian dollar weakness, which is what we've been looking for a while. That's why we took this position in here. It's because we're expecting the Australian dollar to weaken significantly, and the reason being is because the market has been so strong for so long that we expect some kind of reversal in that strength. So if we actually go to Aussie US dollar, we can see that price is starting to break out of trend at the moment and looks to be pushing low. If we look at the daily time frame, we've got this really nice bearish setup currently. It's obviously a long way to go to the close, but price looks to be pushing to the downside. It's at that key 0.7 area as well, where the market seems to like to bounce off of, and it looks to me like Aussie US dollar could pull right back down into this previous structure high here, which does suggest that the Australian dollar is going to weaken further, which is why we're looking for that Australian dollar weakness. So Euro Oz for me is still looking good. If you're looking for a potential opportunity, you could look for a break of this high in here, and then look for the retest on a lower time frame, and then look for that continuation to the upside as well. If you didn't like the look of this, you could also wait to the end of day and see if it closes like this. If it closes like this at the end of day, then it's another good sign that price could push to the upside. But in early trading, the market's looking pretty good and moving in our favor. If we go down into the 4-hour time frame, the reason why we'll be looking at this structure high here is because that's the previous 4-hour high. There's no real break in that trend so far here. So what we could see is maybe either price will break out of this high here, pull back, continue, or we'll get another little dip, and then the market will rally again, maybe into a bit of structure just through here, which you can see is support and a little bit of resistance just through there. So I like the Euro Oz upside. The market has moved quite a long way. If we look at it on a weekly perspective, it's back down at this previous structure point as well. It took these lows out through here and then has just rebounded. So I'm expecting a bit of upside to Euro Aussie. So hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave a like, and I will catch you in the next video.